everyone, I'm Yue, and this is your ultimate cardio challenge. It's only 5 minutes, 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off for each move. And let's get that heart rate up. Your first move, you're taking it back to a burpee and squat jacks. Starting right now. Burpee and squat jacks. 20 seconds is all you've got for these. So how fast can you go? How powerful can your movements be? How hard can you push yourself? And recover. 20 seconds off. Your next move. Staying low in that squat and give me alternating turns. Turning from your waist like you're on that snowboard. Let's get it in 3 seconds. Go. Turn, turn. If you want to challenge yourself next time, use some mini resistance bands around your thighs. Almost there. Last one, and recover. Third move, tuck jumps. Hitting those fists to those thighs. Fast as you can, 20 seconds. You'll want to breathe for this one, for sure. Breathe for all of it, but this is the most important. Let's start now. Three more seconds. And recover. Oh, next up, MC hammer, stay low, shoot that basket. MC hammer, shoot that basket. Stay as low as you can. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Shoot. MC hammer, can't touch this. Shoot. Ha! Shoot. 2, 1. Halfway point here. We're gonna climb down that ladder, starting with that same move we just did. MC hammer and shoot the basket. Woo! Breathe. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Shoot. Every time I say, let's get it, I'm like, I'm actually not sure what we're getting. We're getting sweaty, that's for sure. Getting that heart rate up. 2, 1, recover. Coming down that ladder. Tuck jumps. The bane of my existence, but so effective. Keep on breathing. We're gonna get this. We're actually gonna get it. 2, 1, fast as you can. How high can you go? I'll stop talking, otherwise I'll pass out. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Ow! Turns. Stay in that squat. Turn. Each time, see if you can get that rotation even farther. Full range of motion here. 2, 1, start. Still keeping that squat position as you turn. 2, 1. Last move on this ladder. Shake it out. Burpee squat jacks. I won't demo, because otherwise I will pass out. For sure. My heart rate's at 150. That's right. Spike it. Burpees. Back. squat jacks. Burpee, squat jacks. My hair just comes flying. It's the last move. Push yourself a little harder. 5 minutes is all you need. And last one, recover. That was your 5-minute cardio challenge. How did you do? Can you do it better next time? Faster, more powerful. Each time you repeat this video, just do 1% better. That's all you need. I'm Yue, and I'll see you back here for more 5-minute workouts.